Hop on board for a fun adventure where we dive into some cool AI side projects. You don't need to be a pro, just keen to learn and make some cash. I'll guide you through every step, making sure you get the hang of it all. We'll start with selling AI-generated stock photos using places like MidJourney. It's straightforward yet effective. You upload images made by AI to a site called Adobe Stock and get paid every time someone uses one. To kick things off, head over to stockadobe.com and scroll all the way down. Find and click on Sell Images. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. On this channel, I share lots of ways to earn money online, and you might find one that fits you well. But if you're looking for my true opinion, I'd say go for something that lasts. A method that's been working for ages, is effective now, and will continue to work in the future. This is how you get lasting security and the kind of money that lets you live comfortably without constant worry. I've created an easy 7-step blueprint that'll help you earn a lot of money. Check out the description to grab your free copy. Now, resuming where I left off, then hit Join Now to sign up for free. After signing up, your main screen will look something like this. Click on Insight at the top to see what's hot right now. You can tweak the dates and choose between photos, drawings, and vectors. Checking out these images will show you what's popular on Adobe Stock. Take a look at the top sellers for some ideas. You'll see a lot of these top images are made by AI. Scroll down to check out the keywords and other useful info on these images. This will come in handy when you're ready to upload your own images. Suppose you want to make something similar. This info will help you come up with a prompt and create a similar image using MidJourney. Like if there's an image of a cheerful young lady with colorful hair, just take note of the description and head over to MidJourney to get started. In MidJourney, kick things off by using the Imagine command and pop in your description. Make sure you set the image format to 3.2 for a wider picture. Once your image is ready, download it to your device. But hold on, you're not done yet. Adobe Stock needs bigger images than what MidJourney gives you. There are plenty of tools out there to make your images larger, so pick one you like. Upload your picture and go for the top upscaling choice to get the clearest result. Hang tight until the image is upscaled, and you'll see it looks way better when you zoom in. Next up, it's time to get your image onto Adobe Stock. Hit Upload on their site, then either drag your images in or hit Browse to find them on your computer. After your images are up, you'll need to fill in some details. Start by choosing if it's an illustration or a photo. For this, pick Illustration. Then, pick the category that fits your image best. Tick the box to say it's an AI-made image. Make sure everything meets their rules before you go further. Now add a title and some keywords to your image. Picking the right keywords is super important to help people find your image. It's cool to look at other images for ideas, but don't just copy their stuff. Adobe's Keyword Suggestion tool can also throw some ideas your way. When all that's done, hit Submit. Your image will be checked out, which usually takes a few days. Staying active is the trick here. The more you upload, the more people will see your work, leading to more clicks and maybe more money in your pocket. Liked this walkthrough? Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.